And we have 2 5 rand coins,
200 rand,
200 rand,
5 rand,
and 5 rands,
amhlophe.
2 5 rand coins.
So zasibaphethe
We'll come having them
kule nkonzo esoba nayo.
in the service that we are going to have.
Inkonzo yasentabeni
It's a service to the mountain.
siya entabeni ngo-10 ekuseni.
We are going to the mountain 10 a.m. in the morning.
Saturday siyaphuma sonke
We are leaving Saturday, all of
siya
us,
entabeni.
going to the mountain.
Siyabuya entabeni.
We're coming back from the mountain.
Siyaphumula imini yonke.
We rest the whole day.
Yababa ngo-7 iyangena inkonzo.
In the evening, 7 p.m., the service begins. The whole night.
Khona-ke izinto ezisazofakwa la.
There are some decorations that are going to put here.
Sibonga iminyaka eyishumi sabakhona.
We are celebrating 10 years for being here.
10 years.
10 years.
Iminyaka eyishumi.
10 years.
Iyangena inkonzo kusasa ntambama ngo-7.
The service will begin tomorrow at 7 p.m.
Sobonga amakhwaya sobe sikhona.
Choirs will be here the whole night.
Iphuma ekuseni mhlawumbe ngo-3 noma 4.
We come out either 3 a.m. or 4 a.m.
Abantu baphumule.
People rest.
Ngo-10
10 in the morning.
sonke siyaphuma
All of us are leaving.
siya entabeni.
We are going to the mountain.
Siyabuya entabeni.
We come back from the
Emini
mountain.
siyabuya entabeni.
In the midday, we're coming back.
Siyaphinda ngo-7
Coming back at 7
ngena
o'clock,
inkonzo.
service begins.
Ngesonto ekuseni
On Sunday in the morning,
ayikho inkonzo
there is no
kodwa
service,
ikhona inkonzo
but there is a service
yokubonga unyaka.
to be celebrating 10 years.
Ayishubayinde
It's not going to be long.
ngoba kuzoba neyikhulumi
There are some speakers are going to be here that are going to be here.
inkonzo kuzoba khona ikhekhe elikhulu la
There's going to
esihlala
be a big
Shayela.
cake. We're going to have a big cake.
Iy'nkomo-ke zithengiwe iy'nkomo eziwu-2 shaye ihlombe.
We bought 2 cows. Clap your hands.
Iy'nkomo eziwu-2 sesithengile.
We already bought 2 cows.
Ziyaqala namhlanje ukusetshenzwa.
They are working on it today.
Sibonge kakhulu.
Thank you a lot.
Nkosi, sister.
God bless you.